welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a buy or buy, and the product we are going to be trying out is e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows. Here are the shades that I have so far. If you're wondering how I got this eyeshadow look, I'll be inserting a clip right now.
Okay, cuties, first things first, we're going to be grabbing our Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and we're going to be putting the shade Tempera all over our lids. Now we're going to be grabbing the shade Red Ochre. I don't speak French, so we're going to be placing that shade all over our lid until we look like a delicious spicy meatball. So we're going to be packing that Red Ochre shade all over our lid. We're going to be blending that color all over our crease and taking the shade Venetian Red, ooh la la, we're going to be placing that on the outer corner of our lid and dragging that on to our crease, blending the Red Ochre and Venetian Red together. Now don't mind the fallout, we got hooded eyes, it's gonna happen. Taking e.l.f.'s liquid glitter eyeshadow in 24 karat gold, we're going to be placing that color in the inner corner of our lid, and we're going to be dragging it out towards the center. And using patting motions, we're going to build up that color. After you are done with that, you should be looking like an omelette du fromage. Now in English, that means you're going to be looking snatched, honey. And they said I didn't know how to speak French. Just kidding, that's not what it means. But anyways, grabbing a new brush, we're going to be using it to blend all of these colors together just to eliminate harsh lines. Now for this wing, it's going to be long and sharp. That's what she said. Sharp enough to cut up those limones that you're going to be putting all over those hot Cheetos. Who else puts limones in their hot Cheetos? I know there's some of you out there. But anyways, enough about hot Cheetos. We just want these wings super sharp enough to cut up those limones. Now you're probably wondering, why does it look like I still have hot Cheeto powder all over my face? Don't worry, boo-boo. We ain't leaving the house looking like that. I got you. We're going to be removing this makeup in 3, 2, 1.
So let's get into the review of these guys right here. They're going to be about $5 each. Packaging wise, small but cute, very convenient, very pigmented. Although I did notice that some of them were a lot easier to get out of the tube than others. The one that I had a hard time actually like applying and it wasn't as opaque as the other ones was this blue one right here. I had a little bit of a struggle with this one just because when I was trying to get product out and get it onto my eyelid, I felt like no matter how many times I like scooped in and tried to put it on my eye, it still wasn't enough. These two were very easy, glided in, they were as smooth as butter. They literally were so easy to work with in comparison to this one. So, is this product a buy or buy? I'm gonna have to say buy Ocean Eyes and grab your pennies and buy Gold and Copper. These two were amazing. I cannot express how amazing these were. Honestly, I wish these were around when I went to prom because I would 100% use these guys. I'm going to use these for my quinceañeras. I'm going to use these for my weddings, for my funerals, for my divorce parties, for the grocery store, you name it. And look at this. I'm gonna go to Target right after this and go shopping. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this buy or buy. If you guys are interested in me trying out new products, please comment down below and let me know which items you would like me to buy or buy. Also, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.